Welcome to Eternam. If you consulted our brochure, you'll know this is the vacation of pleasure. If you experience any inconvenience, our pleasure will be in touch. Have a nice stay.
Please forgive this regrettable incident, Master.
Thanks for helping.
You're here about
Pleasure.
I just want a trip here and...
Master, to be frank, it's a subject of more...
Pleasure.
That's fine. It's...
Pleasure.
Stay. Present yourself before the Duke, Master. Lord Ethelred is to be found at the end of the second hallway in the...
Pleasure.
Chamber.
Greetings. Yes. He attacked me most viciously. The rest of the ordeals finished me off.
Ordeals? What are...
Pleasure.
I didn't get past the first
Pleasure.
test.
What test was that?
A gaze to be avoided.
Who are you anyway?
The name is Bones. James Bones.
What's your favorite color?
Pleasure.
What's that to you? I'll have to be going now,
Pleasure.
because Rex is bound to smell.
Pleasure.
You wouldn't believe how excited he gets when he catches a whiff of
Pleasure.
So, what are you doing now?
I'm waiting for that dog to
Pleasure.
me,
What are your plans now?
to get myself...
Pleasure.
Fill me in on the ordeals.
Well, I answer my ad. I didn't get past the first test.
I thought the fancy dress party was last month.
What a funny joke. Perhaps I'll die laughing. Don't crack any more or you'll
Pleasure.
me. I wonder how you'll look after the ordeals.
Now if I were you, an adventurer, I'd follow this,
Pleasure.
especially since, well, I don't want to scare you, but the risks are great. Great. Oh, that they are. Very great.
Very great.